Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be making a vegan lasagna. This vegan lasagna is going to be made in 3 different parts. I'm going to be making a vegan mozzarella, a vegan bechamel sauce, and of course the meat sauce to go inside the lasagna, and I'll bring that together. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with the vegan mozzarella. Add the boiled cashews to the blender. Add some water. Some tapioca starch. Nutritional yeast. Salt, garlic powder, and some lemon juice. Now we're going to add it right to a pan over the stove. And we're going to be stirring this continuously for about 2 to 3 minutes until it starts to get sticky. And like so. I have some salt water here. I'm using an ice cream scoop to scoop mozzarella balls right into the ice cold water with salt. Okay, so the vegan mozzarella is in the fridge. It's cooling down, so now I'm going to go ahead and make the vegan bechamel. Okay, so I'm going to make a roux. So I'm going to add a few tablespoons of butter. I'm going to add in flour. Okay, so the roux is in place. I'm going to slowly add in the soy milk. And here is our vegan bechamel sauce. Nice, thick, and creamy. Okay, so now those 2 creamy, cheesy elements are done. I'm going to move into making the meat sauce. Now, the first thing that you need to know is I am going to be making the but better burger patties. Now, I'm not going to obviously form that into the patty. I'm going to be using that as the meat mixture. So I have that together already. I also cooked off a 1/4 cup of lentils. So I have that off to the side. I'm going to start with cooking some onion, garlic, and mushroom. Okay, I'm going to add in the onion. Some garlic, add in the mushrooms. Okay, now I'm going to add in the lentils. Okay, I'm going to add in some tomato paste. I'm gonna add some paprika, some oregano, gonna add in some fresh basil, some fennel seeds, I'm gonna mix this together. I'm gonna add in my butt better burger beef. Gonna add in some tomato puree. Get this mixed. Gonna add in some crushed tomato. And just carefully mix this in. Okay, so I'm gonna drop down a little bit of oil. Now I'm going to spoon some of the meat mixture down. And then I'm going to drop down the lasagna noodles. Alright, so like so. Then I'm going to put down some more meat sauce. I'm going to add some of the bechamel. And then I have the vegan mozzarella, and so I'm just going to tear it and sprinkle that around. I'm going to add some fresh basil. Some more lasagna noodles. And I'm pressing it down just to keep it some tight layers. Okay, so some more meat sauce, some more bechamel, spread out the bechamel, add some more mozzarella, go with some more basil, and we're going to do one final layer of the lasagna noodles. Okay, so on the top, we're going to do a light layer of the sauce. We're going to add any remaining bechamel that we have left. And on the top, I'm just going to add the mozzarella. But I'm slicing this mozzarella just for presentation purposes. And then now with the basil on top, okay, like so. On the top, I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of oil. And I'm going to cook this in the oven. The lasagna is done. Let's try it out. That's good. That's good lasagna. And for a vegan lasagna, for it to taste meaty, that's impressive. You get meatiness from the mushroom, the lentils, the tomato in it, And then of course, the butter beef. Can't beat that. And it's creamy. So you have the vegan bechamel coming through. That adds a delicious creaminess in there. And the mozzarella that's creamy, and it's like a take on like a mozzarella with some garlic. It's really good. This is the perfect vegan Italian lasagna for you to enjoy this season with your friends and family, because I'm your friend with food benefits, and I'll see you again real soon.